Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. A Databricks SQL dashboard has been configured to monitor the total number of records present in a collection of Delta Lake tables using the following query pattern. Select Count from Table. Which of the following describes how results are generated each time the dashboard is updated? Option A. The total count of rows is calculated by scanning all data files. Option B. The total count of rows will be returned from cached results unless refresh is run. Option C. The total count of records is calculated from the Delta transaction logs. Option D. The total count of records is calculated from the Parquet file metadata. The answer is option C. The total count of records is calculated from the Delta transaction logs. Delta Lake optimizes count queries by storing the row counts in the transaction logs, thereby avoiding the need for a full table scan and significantly improving query performance. Question 2. A junior data engineer has manually configured a series of jobs using the Databricks Jobs UI. Upon reviewing their work, the engineer realizes that they are listed as the owner for each job. They attempt to transfer owner privileges to the DevOps group, but cannot successfully accomplish this task. Which statement explains what is preventing this privilege transfer? Option A. Databricks jobs must have exactly one owner. Owner privileges cannot be assigned to a group. Option B. The creator of a Databricks job will always have owner privileges. This configuration cannot be changed. Option C. Only workspace administrators can grant owner privileges to a group. Option D. A user can only transfer job ownership to a group if they are also a member of that group. The answer is option A. Databricks jobs must have exactly one owner. Owner privileges cannot be assigned to a group. This design ensures clear accountability and management for the job. Question 3. Which statement characterizes the general programming model used by Spark Structured Streaming? Option A. Structured streaming leverages the parallel processing of GPUs to achieve highly parallel data throughput. Option B. Structured streaming is implemented as a messaging bus and is derived from Apache Kafka. Option C. Structured streaming relies on a distributed network of nodes that hold incremental state values for cache stages. Option D. Structured streaming models new data, arriving in a data stream as new rows appended to an unbounded table. The answer is option D. Structured streaming models new data, arriving in a data stream as new rows appended to an unbounded table. This mechanism allows Spark to seamlessly integrate batch and streaming operations, treating the streaming data as a continuously growing table, which it processes incrementally. Question 4. What is the retention of job run history? Option A. It is retained until you export or delete job run logs. Option B. It is retained for 30 days, during which time you can deliver job run logs to DBFS or S3. Option C. It is retained for 60 days, during which you can export notebook run results to HTML. Option D. It is retained for 60 days, after which logs are archived. The answer is option D. The retention of job run history is 60 days, after which logs are archived. This means the logs are kept for a period of 60 days and then subsequently moved to an archive location. Question 5. Incorporating unit tests into a PySpark application requires upfront attention to the design of your jobs or a potentially significant refactoring of existing code. Which benefit offsets this additional effort? Option A. Improves the quality of your data. Option B. Validates a complete use case of your application. Option C. Troubleshooting is easier since all steps are isolated and tested individually. Option D. Ensures that all steps interact correctly to achieve the desired end result. The answer is option C. Troubleshooting is easier since all steps are isolated and tested individually. Unit tests break down the application into smaller, testable parts, which makes it easier to identify and fix errors at each step, rather than debugging a larger, more complex system. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.